Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is MonzyCrypto, and welcome to the very first episode of Clash of MOland. We're going to cover the game, how to really play it, and hopefully you guys do enjoy. If you do, smash the like, subscribe if you are new, and yeah, hopefully this video is helpful to you. So, the very first thing once I log in into any single game that I want to take serious is make sure that you do all the dailies of that game. So the bottom left corner over here where you can see my mouse, if you just click on this, it will show pretty much all your dailies that you have to do. It will show you as main, quests, dailies, and seasons. Okay, so it says here that we have to unlock chapter 1 first. So once you click on main, or once you are on main, you just click on go, and it will pretty much just take you to the place that you want to pretty much do. So pretty much all these guys over here, all 4 of them in a row, you have to just click on the up arrow right here and build them. You have to build all 4 of them. And then, yeah, you can also click on this thing to instant, but it's a little bit of a waste if you have to wait 5 seconds. I mean, it's literally a waste if you want to min-max, right? So, just click on the quest again, and then you can just claim all of your rewards by upgrading all of that. Then it says your castle development, you want to upgrade that to level 2. So just click on go, click on upgrade, and then upgrade. It takes 1 minute, so we're going to do instant, pretty much, so that that is done. We don't want to see that it takes 20 diamonds anymore, so just click on that, and that is done. So we also have that quest done completely now. So you can see all the main quests and stuff like that is done. Once that is done, you can actually, you see the chapter 1 here. You can claim all of these rewards right here by clicking this button, and it will show you rewards. That's pretty nice. Now it gives you different quests over here, but you also unlock the dailies now. Dailies and season quests. So the first thing I would do is do the daily quest. So it says your complete premium summon 2 times. So click on that, click on this icon here, and then make sure you scroll to premium summons. You can see it's over here, premium summons, right? We just click on this scroll right here, and boom, another summon is done. Okay, we can skip the animations by ticking this box here at the bottom, and then go back to the previous thing, and then claim that. Next daily, it says arena. We can't do arena yet, and it's because we need to reach, your city hall needs to be level 7. So we're gonna skip that daily, go back here. Hero upgrade, so click on go. We need to upgrade any of our heroes 5 times. So click on the hero you want to upgrade, and then click on this plus button here at the bottom. And you can see you have a few books. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? I think that should be enough. There we go. XP, collect that. Let's see your resource collection. We need to be City Hall level 3. Lottery draw. I click on go, but it says I need to be level 3 as well. So back to dailies. Forger. So we need to build this right here. We need to reach City Hall level 7. So let's see. Remove a hidden danger. We need to be level 3. Hood Lord need to be level 3. So we can go back to main quest over here. Military training, go to that. Just want to double check. It says 50, right? So click on this button right here. Only scroll until you reach about 50. So train that. Then the next one we have Territorial Expansion, right? So click on that, go. Make sure you go to your troops again. Make sure you always have 3 units. You want to get all 3 units at least purple or higher. Assign units. You always want to assign units because your character will take way less damage if you do that. Click on quick assign and confirm. So then we just fight. Conquer whatever. Like, it doesn't really matter. So we just fight. You can also say that they should not return. So replay, remove that. Auto recall, remove that. And then once they've finished fighting here, they will remain here. And the reason why I do that is because it saves you a lot of time. We can fight this one right next to it. We can fight these 2 most probably and then return after that. And also we unticked everything, so there's no replay gonna be there or anything like that right now. And obviously, if you want to see, you can click on this icon right here to see like if you won or lost, but it also shows up here. If it's green, that means you won. If it's red, then it, or if it's not green, then it means you didn't win. So we're just gonna fight over here like crazy. Boom, bada beam, bada boom, victory right there. And we'll fight these two and then we'll return. By not returning, we're saving a lot of time, just by the way. So Slapperino's here. Actually, we're mixing up all these guides all in one by doing just dailies. Now that I think about it, it is crazy. So we're gonna slap this one right here and return then afterwards. So once I conquer this one, I'm gonna say auto recall, enable, and conquer. You can see right now at the bottom here, one of our dailies is done, so we can claim this. And there, our territories is also done, so we can claim that. Then Territorial Expansion. This is the 5th one, I believe. There we go. So that's the 5th one. And that daily is also done right now. So economic advancement. Click on information right here. You see that we have to get quite a bit of stuff per day. And the only way you're going to get all of these is by taking over territories. Also, you can upgrade your units over here, these things right here, and it will also increase the amount of resources you get per day or per hour. So, castle development, we can try and do this. Let's see if we can upgrade it. Yeah, we can, and it takes 3 minutes. So we can already set that up there. So that one is gonna get done soon. Castle development level 2, castle development level 3. So these two quests will be done by just upgrading our castle. Most probably this one as well. Go to the mine, make mine level 2. Okay, so we can't do that because the other one is already being in progress. So either we wait until that's done and then queue this one up, or just upgrade with coins. So I'm gonna upgrade with coins. So that daily is done. Just want to see here, castle development. So they want me to upgrade all of these. So I'm just going to see here if yeah, we can do that with gold as well. So rather just upgrade with gold because I think it's cheaper that way. 3,000 gold, man. 3,000 gold. So to unlock once we unlock City Hall 3, we can actually get a gold mine over here and start earning gold. So that's going to be juicy. So I'm just going to pay with gold here because I'm not willing to wait. Okay, so purchase the season pass. You get an extra unit to work for you. So yeah, a lot of stuff is just upgrading right now. I'm going to wait for it until it's done, and then we'll continue on. And there we go. Pretty much everything is done over here. So what I would like to do now is, since we have a level 3, I'm going to build a gold mine. So we'll take 1 minute there. And let's claim all of these beautiful people over here. Claim all of this because I'm a rich bitch. Then we have castle development. Upgrade farm to level 2. And remove a hidden danger. So if I go there right now, it's going to take me to a random place. Unfortunately, guys, I don't know exactly how to get back from this place at the moment. So let's just see. If we search, we're going to attack and attack. Replenish all. Replenish all means that we're going to get full units on all our characters, which you can regen. I'll make a video for you guys a little bit later about that. But over here, we're going to fight these guys, and then they're going to walk back to the middle. And there we go. We get some XP books. We get a treasure map, which I don't know what it is just yet, but we'll get to that at some point. And now the guys is back over here. So it says you remove 1 danger. So we did that. So we can claim the quest. And then castle development. If I click on that again, it will take me there. And all we have to do is upgrade the farm once, and we'll put that for 1 minute up there. And that concludes all the main quests. So if we go back to dailies right now, we have resource collection. So clicking on that, then we're gonna search resource collection. You can see we can go over here and gather. So I'm gonna click on gather and just gather that right there. Our dude is gonna walk there for a little bit. It's gonna take 45 seconds to get there. Then the battle is gonna be like 15 seconds or something. And then our units have to remain here in order to farm. So, and you can see here, it's gonna get 60,000 corn, pretty much. And the corns you'll be using in order to get more units and stuff like that. So it's not that bad to actually do this. So yeah, let's see if we can do something else over here with our dailies. We have remove and hidden danger. We have to remove 10 of them. So pretty much what we just did there, we have to do 10, which I'll cover inside this video as well. We can claim this right now. And then, yeah, we done with chapter 2. So we can just claim all of this right here. And boom. We have a premium summon scroll. That's pretty good. Castle development 1. So we already got the gold mine running. So we built that already. Remove hidden danger, so that will give us quite a bit of that. Military training, we can go to that. We have to military train 100 units. So there we go. 2 minutes. Do that quest. That's pretty much how you play the game, guys. Summon the euro. So we have to summon 20 euros. That is insane. So let us do that. But we're gonna enable auto retire. So we're gonna retire everyone that is white, green, and blue. So we're only gonna keep purple or higher units. Okay, and I think you can only get purple from this. So we have to summon 30 of we have to summon 3 times. So 3 times 10, yeah. So I'm gonna click on this. You can see most of them are retired. We're going to click on it again. That's the second one. We got 70 euro points. I don't know what that is though, but we'll cover that eventually. And there we go. Almost, yeah, pretty much everything we summoned got retired. By the way, if you click on a random spot right here, it takes you back, just by the way. So we did that quest now. That's pretty good. We got 1,000 extra ability points. Nice. Okay, now I see what it is. So summon the hero. That is done. So military training, we're busy doing that one. Remove a hidden danger. We'll do that soon. Retreating injured units. So go to that. You'll see that this is over here, the hospital. We can retreat some units over here. You can go all the way max if you want to be crazy, or just do the amount that they said. I don't know exactly which amount it is, so we'll do 50. Retreating, okay, so yeah. Remove hidden danger, castle development. So it wants us to go to level 4. If you click on the up arrow, you can see that we're missing a boatload of stones. Okay, so there's multiple ways to get way more stones. Either you can upgrade your quarry to get way more stones, right? You can see the stone production goes from 800 to 1,200 per hour, which is a good deal. So I'm going to upgrade this right here. Or you can, in this location right here, you can actually go after more stone territories, which will also increase the amount of stone you get per hour. So maybe I should cut this video here, and yeah, we will definitely then continue on. This you can see over here, there's a 2-hour quest before these guys will return to us. So that is why I'm saying I'm not going to cover this game, because there is just too much to do, where it's so much time based that you have to send out so many units and stuff like that. So we will definitely cover then continuing on with our dailies and our main quest line and stuff like that for you guys tomorrow. If I can get my quarry... Oh, snap. I think I paid accidentally a little bit too much. I'm going to upgrade this as well, so we can increase the amount of stones we farm per hour. And then, yeah, that's going to be it for today. Hopefully, you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, remember to smash that like, subscribe if you are new. We will cover pretty much dailies again within the next stream or the next upload for you guys, so that you can understand how to efficiently play this game pretty much the right way, right? You just want to do the minimal stuff that is required per day in order to get to the location late game where you think it's going to be beneficial. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Peace.